When you're on a job site, you want a quick and efficient setup. So you want the right tools to make it easier to get them in place and ready to be used. The IQ TS244 is one of those tools. It's not light, but one person can manage it. The saw is compact, has a handle, and has wheels. So you can get up a few steps and roll it into position very quickly. So this video is being shot in the middle of winter. It's freezing temperatures outside. But I don't have to worry about putting it in the garage. In fact, there is no garage. Water freezing up in my wet saw is no longer a problem. It's a non-issue because there is no water, there is no dust. You cut dry. Because this saw cuts dry without any dust, it has an incorporated high efficiency vacuum. There's no need to worry about getting water all over the place as you're cutting. It's because it cuts dry. There is no water to worry about. So just roll it into place, attach the stand, lift it into place, put it in position, and you're all set, ready to go. Just plug it in and start cutting. Use the right blade on your saw and you get a clean cut.